Error code E03 on a candy washing machine indicates a malfunction in the drainage system, which may be caused by issues with the pump or drain hose setup. This code does not specify a particular faulty component, so users must try various troubleshooting methods to identify and resolve the problem. Common causes of error code E3 include a clogged pump, which can occur due to the accumulation of scum and small particles from laundry, causing the pump to overwork and eventually fail. A kinked or squashed hose can also limit drain flow, despite the pump's efforts, and may be caused by twisting or weight on the hose. Incorrect hose installation, such as a high stand hose, extremely long drain hose, or poor connection between the drain hose and external drainage point, can also cause strain on the pump and result in error code E3. To fix error code E3, solutions include unclogging the pump by disconnecting the appliance from the water and main supply, opening the pump filter, unscrewing and cleaning it, and then replacing it. This maintenance should be performed regularly to prevent clogging. If the error is caused by a kinked or squashed hose, inspecting the hose length, removing kinks, and eliminating any weight on the hose can resolve the issue. Proper hose installation is also crucial, and this can be achieved by ensuring the stand hose is less than a meter long, cutting the hose to a suitable length, and lifting the submerged drain hose tip. By following these steps, users can effectively troubleshoot and resolve error code E3 on their candy washing machine.